gonna take me?
Well,
It's like,
Okay. Now you got 2 TVs, either one. There's your head. Down there's the heart beating. There's your stomach. Spine. Is this your first baby?
yes.
Or are you ready to know what you're having?
Yeah.
Tell your sister you want all of her clothes.
really?
Mm-hmm. There it is. There you go. You are having a boy. Right there's his little boy part sticking out. You see it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I have to. There you go. We are having a boy.
Well, everything looks okay.
I'm fixing to scan everything, but so far everything looks good. Boy, he's active. Look at his face. His little nose. Let's have that hand up there. He keeps turning. Still hard while we got that on there. He's busy. Good heartbeat.
The baby.
156.
Oh, so sweet. Looks like he's sucking his thumb or
Oh,
something.
he's close.
A little profile.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Fist right up there.
Wait, my hands come get another piece.
That's definitely a boy.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Mama did it.
Good job.
Measure his femur bone here. We'll do some medical measurements if you want to. Come on. Go ahead and do that bladder before he pees on me.
You want to do more pieces? Or just one? Oops. Is that good? Put that there. Put this here. So we can have little big villains. Going. We put this right. See, stop. Okay, right way. I don't want any more watch. I'll give this one to you. Thank you. Wait, did you let me give
You just got a hold of it. Now we let go.
one piece. That one?
Crazy, isn't it? To see everything.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, like right there's the little leg.
It's the motor. It's the motor.
He's got the hiccups, I believe.
That's the baby. I think this is the head, and there's like the belly and all that stuff. And there's the little arms, and down here are the legs. There's his spine. Isn't that crazy? And it is a boy. Just like you wanted. He wanted a boy.
I thought
Having hand-me-down clothes will be great.
we were down. What? No one this. Three pieces. That was in you. You don't build a plane. Stop. Mom, build a plane.
Stick that
Why
in
are
my
they
leg.
Whoa, these pieces can't be on. Where from
They love the umbilical cord because they can feel
What
the
is that?
heartbeat.
That's the baby. This is the head, and there's the nose and the lips. It's the side shot of the
He's got
baby.
it right under his chin, like, slow it.
Is that the heart?
Yes, that's the heartbeat.
Let me see your heart.
Okay.
Why are you kidding me?
Hang on, baby. I'm videotaping.
This is a hard picture to see. But
I'm
right here is
this
his
one.
upper
I'm
lip.
gonna put on
And the two little nose holes right there. That's just the bridge of his nose. We're looking at the upper lip just
Now,
to make
Gigi,
sure.
I'm gonna
we
build a
get the
bad guy
palate.
plane, and you're gonna be a
That's
good
good.
guy plane. I'm gonna pretend this one didn't discover, accidentally didn't know where you were, and Gigi, stop! Don't put that in the seat. Don't. I'm gonna pretend my driver doesn't know where you are, and he can't see you.
Blowing bubbles there, but it's the umbilical
Mine's
cord
gonna
right
be a
under his
bad guy
nose.
plane. Yeah, baby, go.
Honey, careful.
Every
Foot.
time.
Bottom of his foot stuck up there. Did you see it?
Yup.
But
Toes
I got.
spread out there.
Sweet toes.
Uh-oh.
Looks like he's got 5 toes.
That's right.
Now the bad guy's dead. Now it's the good guy's turn. But I made a good guy. Oh, you're a bad guy.
Make sure your amniotic fluid here just a minute too.
Did you shot your plane? You're dead. It's right there. Yeah, I shot your plane. Oh, Gigi, that's the way you show my mom off. Where about you? Where about you? I shot your plane again. So take one of your pieces off. Now we'll check
I
your
can
car.
visually see plenty, but I have to prove it by measuring it for Dr. Distance.
Gee, stop. You can't put any more pieces. And you can't. Now since you stopped, I catched up and shot you all. So it's going to be dead. Bye, guys. I'm not building you another plane. Why? Because I'm just not. I want to see a heart.
But it's good.
Gigi, that plane, but it's not going to be for bad guys. It's
Mom,
going to be
where's
for
your
good
head?
guys.
That's the head.
Yep.
Gigi, look, that's the heartbeat. Right. Right there. Right there. You see it?
Yeah.
That's the heartbeat.
I want to see baby.
Look at his nose.
And this one. I want to
He's
see
looking
baby.
in his belly for a baby. Oh, baby.
I want to see
He's doing his turn, so I can't see
That
his
is the
nose.
baby. It's in her belly.
No, I'm not building the
What did they-
airplane. I'm
they give
building
you
the good guy
March the
airplane.
6th.
Yeah,
I'm getting the 3rd, so that's within 3 days.